8:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm T-Speaker222 with Dogecoin and you, and I wanted to do a quick update here because I think it's vital as we're watching the patterns. Yesterday we talked about how certain things were having like a 20 cross of 50, but I said I don't know if this is going to be able to do anything because there's no volume. And it's still the same case. It still looks like it could come up a little bit, but it doesn't look like there's going to be a lot that this can really come up to. It really looks like these 20 days might be shooting us down, or maybe $1.50 if we get lucky. But I'm not seeing any volume. That's why I didn't advise anybody to buy. Yes, we're watching it, but I have not entered my Matic position because this volume is atrocious. We've got Ethereum. It's trying to come on top of the 20-day. So I said there could be a little bullish momentum here in the market today before the futures opens. It's still the same thing as I was even seeing yesterday. It's risky, but you can see that we've created little patterns here. Now, we're going to get rejected on the 20-day here. It's possible. But if we end up breaking through this, it would stop this bearish divergence in its tracks. But just the way it looks like these are all going to pour out. It really does. Like, thank you, but it doesn't look sustainable. Doge, we're staying on top of the 20-day and the 4-hourly. We pulled back up and stopped this bearish divergence. So Doge is the one where I would be like, okay, if we can get some volume and we pulled back up, and I have a widening channel now. Like, I widened it out a little bit, and it makes a lot more sense on what was going on in this pattern. So it's almost like a widening. So now we're going to see. So Doge compared to most, at least it's on top of the 20-day. That's a big deal. Shiba's the same way. It pulled back up, got on top of the 20-day. Now, we still have room to push up here. So can we get a retest of some of these drop points, maybe a little bit higher? That's the question. We bounced this downtrending resistance as support. So that's a great sign right now for Shiba at least. But the volume is what's going to get us caught up every time right now because we just don't have any volume. Litecoin's getting rejected by the 20-day. Now, if it's to move up like the rest, is it possible it could break up over this and use this as support? It is, but we need volume. We're not getting enough volume here, and that's going to be an overwhelming thesis here. And we keep coming below the 30 with Litecoin, and then 88. We came up to the 20-day and the 30-minute time frame. Looks like we got rejected. Again, the storyline here is we have no volume. Even when we were going up, the volume was decreasing. So maybe come up to $1.06 and get rejected. But if you don't see any volume increase in this profile, it's not going up. Make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new or returning. Join the Dogecoin and You Army. We have 45 people in the Army. Trade with me. I show all my trades in here and we all talk, and before we enter a trade, I will end up having a poll in here, so you know when that